Today we're going to look at some Canva apps that let you shape your text into curves and things like that. This might be useful if you're making an interesting poster design or if you're making something on a book cover that required curved text. Okay, let's go into Canva and see what we can do. Let's go to Canva homepage and create. And what shall we make? Let's go for Instagram Reels. And then let's find a picture that we can add text to. So we go to Elements. Mountains, graphics. Let's use that one. I just wanted a slopey surface, really. So the text that we want to fit Climb Every Mountain, you know, the song. I should get a little nun and put her on top of there. Oh well, anyway. So let's go. This is just as an age memoir. Climb every mountain until you find your dream. Okay. Now we're going to look at a couple of apps that we have here for shaping the text. Now, before you use any apps, if you just go onto text and effects, if you just want to curve the text, you can do this and then you can adjust the curve. So you can curve it down, curve it up, and, you know, even make it go into a circle. And then you can adjust the curvature. Anyway, so that you can do without having any apps involved at all. That's just using Canva. Let's go for none, and then let's go see what we can find in the apps. Now there's one called Text Path Maker. Text Path Maker. This one, I read the terms and conditions. It's not terribly clear, but I think it gives you some free goes and then you have to pay. Okay, so let's put in the text here, which is Climb Every Mountain. And then you can do it, make it curved, in which case you can change the color, the spacing, the border, the background, the output size of your text, of your lettering, and your font. You could do this, which makes it wiggle up and down. Now, if the text squidges up like this, it says shorten spacing or size. Let's see, so let's go for horizontal spacing. Let's increase a little bit. There you go. That might be better. What's the border? Oh, that's the border around the thing. All right, let's have a border of 0. You can make it go into a circle. You can make it go into a heart. So you basically have presets here. So you can't actually fit it to a path that you want. Although you could probably do that. No, let's not do that. Now then, can we move it along where it is in the shape? Not really. You'd have to push it along from there, wouldn't you? Let's see. Okay, well, that could work. Let's add that to the design. So, a little bit crude, but it'll do. And like I say, other apps made by this app maker tend to need you to pay for the app eventually. Alrighty, let's try another one. Type curve. Type curve. The curved text, which also showed up, that just helps you do a circle, which you can already do. So there's type curve gone. There, type curve. So again, limited number of shapes, but you can shape your text into circles, squares, and arches and more. So let's have a look. Type curve. Your text here, and these are your parts. Heart. That's quite a good curve. I could flip this mountain around and that might work. Let's go for that. Your text here. Let's go. Climb every mountain. I like that. That's nice. And then what else? We've got styles. Oh, we've got funky textiles here. Look. That's nifty. Let's do that one. And that's your font size change, your font change, font weight change, letter spacing, offset. Oh, I see. Can you offset it from? You can move it up and down the thing. I like this app better than the other one. So we could that sort of thing. Or let's duplicate this page. Let's get rid of the pointy one. Almost. With a bit of fiddling about, I reckon I could probably get that to work. So those are quite two interesting ways to curve your text. Now, I don't really know when you would need to use it. Potentially, maybe if you're doing a book cover. I will keep checking the different apps that Canva produce. Most of them are kind of limited. This one I quite like. If you found that useful, please tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.